Me no have no foot fetish. So put back your thinking to in your socks, girl. Suck off which toe. Put it back in your socks. There yo, mama and papa. Please move your hand from your jaw. You go yo with the jaw. Mom. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today, guys, we here with M1Llionz. The G. The boss. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself. Take off my glasses, car. That one there gonna be fiery. So, Bando spots. Bando spot. That's what we're doing today. So, we're not gonna waste no time. Big up all of the new subs them soon in the comment section. Big up on yourself, I appreciate you know. Big up all of the foundation, the original the family them. Big up on yourself, I really appreciate the love and the support. M1Llionz, big up your bumbo class self G. I gotta jump in that one and just kick it off like a ball. Yeah? Kick it off like a ball. Let's go. Let's see what I go on. We are react to that one now. Whoa! You know what I'm all about already. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's not get distracted so quick. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ladies. Yeah. Bando spot. Oh, God.
I'll take you to the Bando shop. I'll let you lick the cells I got.
That's 50 Cent flow. That's the flow from 50 Cent. I'll take you to the candy shop. You lick the lollipop. Nice, nice. That's a classic 50 Cent. So, let me hear what the G say.
M1Llionz on the M is hot, so don't smoke till we hit the spot. Whoa. Out of town, that's Bayesian rock. 1 to 2 from this flake I got.
Him accent bad, as usual in Birmingham accent, but this is me have a feeling about this already.
Have you spending all your profit? So ring my phone when you want a cut. Whoa, yo, you can have it your way, I can come to you, but there's gonna be a delivery charge.
You can have it your way. When I'm very versatile. I can drive to you, but just know say it's gonna cost you for delivery. Just like Amazon. If you don't have Amazon Prime, them charge you for delivery. Yeah, daddy. eBay the same thing. But say I'm running a legitimate illegal business. Legitimate illegal business, so it's gonna cost you for delivery. Yeah.
Only they knew what the tea house does, they wouldn't be calling me an industry plant. Little did I know that the Zushi bots come big and green like Finsbury Park.
Basically, I say, yo, if you don't know what the trap house does, call me an industry plug, cause I'm not a plug. I'm all about the trapping.
I got a #1 in the chat that was way before I got my rhythms to chart. So how do you want it, straight drop or remix? I'ma let you know from now the TT's considerably more, so there's no disagreement.
The TT is considered more, so there's no disagreement. This is a summer song. This is a summer song. This is gonna be a summer song. This is gonna go viral. This is probably gonna blow up TikTok. My predictions. And they're normally right.
And Jodie ain't scored all day, she's a regular. I can't believe she's out there cheating. But I don't care now when she wants.
Voila, where's the Jodie I do? Hey y'all Jodie, where you do?
And Jodie ain't scored all day, she's a regular. I can't believe she's out there cheating. But I don't care now when she wants to be let off a pound, and I can't complete it. There's no dealings. I got them.
The man don't care if Jodie out there cheat. Do what you want, do. I'm depend something else. That's what the boss say. Yo.
Magic bricks, I'm the drug doctor. Never ran off on him cause my plug proper. If you want any bits, you can just holler. I know accept Bitcoin and I love dollars.
The boss say him accept Bitcoin and him love dollars. So any currency. Card machine, bring a card machine. Like no, bring a card. Me have a card machine. Me take cash, me take coins, me take Bitcoin, everything. Money is money, not turning it down. Let's go.
I'll break it down for you, bro. 10s and 20s. On tick, don't fool me until the P's ready. At Christmas time while everyone's merry with you.
and tick. I gear this, all this, I gear this. Don't phone me until the P is ready. We don't need to have no. So don't call me until the money ready, brother. Just right there. Yeah, business we are doing.
I was doing roll to the bando shop. I let you lick the cells I got. MPRs on the M is hot. So don't smoke till we hit the spot. Out of town, that's Bayesian rock.
Out of town, that's Bayesian rock. Damn, this is hard, bro. This is hard as fuck, dog. This is hard. This bad.
1 to 2 from this flake I got. I have you spending all your profit. So ring my phone when you want a cup. Jake trying to watch what we do and where we move for sharing food or preparing use. If you
in flow, let's change again. In flow, like first verse in flow gone and something else. Second verse, flows. Flows on top of flows like the River Nile flowing in the fucking ocean. Waves. Boss have waves, brother. Waves.
If you rub this pack, don't declare it's you. Cause when we come back, it's a scary move. Finish him. Whip it for me, baby, nice and fast. Make sure you scrape the crumbs from the edge of the glass.
The man I tell you detail, nothing for waste. Whip it for me, baby, nice and fast. Make sure you scrape the crumbs from the side of the glass. We don't want to see the crumbs on the glass when you're done. That is money. We not throw it away. Make sure you scrape everything. You must teach her the right way, not the wrong way. Jesus Christ. Who for sister this? Millions, who for sister that? Me just want to know, who for sister you talk to, sir? Jesus, I could my sister, no star.
The door grab my shank when I step in the trap. If the feds raid, bro, I'll be telling my cap. But let me show you how it actually is. Hand to hand, Taliban's got a passion for it. She don't like the trap, tell my new girl I'm legit news.
Look on the girl them. Millions always outdo himself. Millions outdo millions. Me like the girls in the video. Natural. Melanin. Millions, big up yourself. I like this, bro. I like this.
Stone of the kitty wants a sample of it, but hang on a bit. You done that, I ramp on a bit. Add the magic, 20 ton stamp on a brick. No electric in the house, so the candles are lit. Broke times I couldn't afford to fancy a bitch now.
Even though it's going hard, it seemed like him not try. That's the thing with him, brother. Like him not kill up himself when him a rap. Him flow does. Come on, bro. Come on, dog. Him flow does natural, dog. Like him do it effortlessly. Dog, big up yourself, brother.
And she got a devil face on snap, she a freak. I ain't got no fetish for feet, got a...
Well, I'm there, get a slap on her body while I go see, man. Boy!
Thought to fancy a bitch now. And she got a devil face on snap, she a freak. I ain't got no fetish for feet, got a fetish for whipping and glizzes with beams.
You know, I have no foot fetish. She's a freak, yeah. But me not have no she's a nympho. But me not have no fetish for feet. Me not have no foot fetish. So put back your thinking to in your socks, girl. Suck off rich toe. Put it back in your socks. And cut out like locks. Blood clot. No foot fetish around here. Know that.
Switching the Glock, make it sing and repeat. Sending Bitcoin to the plug, it's texting me saying didn't receive. What? Damn, you didn't receive. You gotta be kicking. I'll take it to the bando shop.
I'm sending Bitcoin to the plug. They might text me and say, yo, dog, I never receive. You never receive? Me find it funny. Nigga, you're lying. You receive your money, brother. This is gonna be hard. This is gonna be lit, bro. The flow, dog.
I let you lick the cells I got. MPRs on the M is hot. So don't smoke till we hit the spot. Out of town, that's Bayesian rock. 1 to 2 from this flake I got.
I'm up 50 cents to this and post it back and say, yo, dog, big up yourself. I'm up 50 cents and post it back, bro. I'm up 50 cents and post it back still. 50 flow from them time there, yeah.
You spending all your profit. So ring my phone when you want a cup. I'll take you to the bando shop. I let you lick the cells I got. MPRs on the M is hot.
The video seems nice. Like, all of them man video nowadays just. But let me say, Million never fail to outdo himself. Never fail, brother. You see them there, Africa, Jamaica, or some other country in the Caribbean, or somewhere else, Dubai or something. The man does do it, bro.
So don't smoke till we hit the spot. Out of town, that's Bayesian rock. 1 to 2 from this flake I got. I have you spending all your profit. So ring my phone when you want a cup.
The girl in the video just turns me on. Boss, ready if you got mash up on them? I don't know. What this? Okay, so the Jamaica flag did this, so. Look like a new project this. Provisional license. Okay. Provisional license. Bando spot directed by 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up yourself, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐎𝐍. Alex White producer. Big up yourself, Alex White. Creative effects. Big up yourself, G. And the rest of people that were in the team. Big up on yourself. Yo, Millie. Big up yourself, Millie. Big up yourself, bro. This is gonna be a vibe. This is a vibe, bro. This is a vibe. This is literally a vibe, bro. You never miss, brother. Like, Million never miss, bro. Because Million in a one lane by himself and him comfortably in him lane. Him well content in him lane, so him not miss, bro. This is gonna be a fucking hit. Like, up there with all of the hits them for the summer. You see me? Not the UK. So, yo, big up on yourself. Respect everyone that's here. You know? Big up the people who just watch and don't subscribe. Big up see me. I appreciate you to see me. So, this is how I'm going to end the one, guys. If you enjoy the reaction, please break down. Please leave in the comment section. Let me know. And please leave a like on the video. Look more. Peace out.